today we're out here at our Friday spot. It's looking pretty. The weather man said it was gonna be cloudy.
Budget power pole.
It's a budget power pole. Shout out to Keys Boating Channel.
Purple's my favorite color, FYI. And I love the makeup.
It's starting to get windy here.
It could turn out to be a nice day, but we got some wind picking up, so we're gonna play it on the safe side and get out of here.
Definitely shouldn't be out here because it don't even matter. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, that was some... Yeah, that was some thunder and lightning back there too. So, all right, we made the right call.
What's up everyone? How you doing today? So today we're out here at our Friday spot. It's looking pretty, but you know what? The weather man said it was gonna be cloudy and rainy, but I don't know. Sometimes he's wrong. Also, we had planned to go out to Egmont, and I'd been checking the wind app all week long. Conditions were getting better all throughout the week. The waves were getting lower and lower. And then all of a sudden, was it last night or this morning? This morning we woke up and it drastically changed. So it went up to like 4-foot waves, which is a no-go. That's like, for our small craft, you don't want to be out on the water.
It's calm now, but it's showing 2 o'clock. It's showing some big winds and stuff. So
yeah, like 20 knots and 4-foot waves. So oh, there's a dolphin. So we decided to pass on Egmont because that's a long boat ride for us. And then we put in right down here at Fort DeSoto. Our Friday spot is literally, it was like a 2-minute boat ride here. So we're in a little cut. We should be safe. And
tell them this.
If it gets kind of wild, it's just a quick little jaunt over to the boat ramp. So we got a new toy. Woohoo!
The budget power pole.
It's a budget power pole.
Keys Boating Channel. We have that.
You saw that on Keys Boating Channel?
Keys Boating Channel.
Shout out to Keys Boating Channel.
Keys Boating Channel. That's where I got the idea from.
So Jason's gonna hook it up. First time using it. We'll see how it does.
I forgot our cups today. So we do have a set of backup. I forgot the little flutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put those on the boat for next time.
So pro tip, keep a set of cups on your boat.
Keep a set of everything.
We have yeah, you want to extra everything on your boat really, but
we're gonna do a video on that.
We have forgot our cups before, and so now we keep cups here.
I'm thinking it goes on and then you just stuff it in the hole, or stuff it in the, All right, let's try this out here.
Are you gonna face us the right way though?
Yeah. Wow, that's nice down here. Oh, this is perfect. All right. So let me see that. How do I tie it? The line? Guess I gotta go like this.
It's starting to get a little windy.
Let's see what we got here. Shoot, how the hell they do this? Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah.
It looks like it's in there. Should be.
How deep we need to go? All right, let's try that. That's probably good.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I think this is it.
All right, so we're gonna get all set up. Have a great day on the water.
See how our anchor pin is doing? Looks like it's doing all right. I'm not sure if I need to push that in more or not, but we'll find out. But we'll just kind of keep watching it there. This is a nice little cut area, well protected. Right now it's not busy, but it could be just because we got here earlier. Normally we have a much longer boat ride, but we're gonna find out. Or it could be people were looking at that weather at that 2 o'clock. So, but if things kind of pick up, we got a short little ride right back to the ramp. So Normally we like to take a longer ride just so we can just enjoy the boat ride more, see more marine life and all that. We are trying something new here with the sheets. This way it'll give us lots of privacy and protection from the sun.
So, I mean, someday the shades that I want to make, it would actually, it would be like a triangle. So you could have two up, right? And have one here and then one go to that side. So you still go forward.
Right. All right, so we finished up our mimosas. We're out here just chilling. We got some purple today. Purple's my favorite color, FYI. And I love the makeup. Perfect, me likey. So it's nice and calm. We got the VHF radio going. We got some channel. Haven't really used it yet, just kind of listening in, but we heard some people talking about the weather and the wind changing in a bit. So we're gonna see what's up. I'm curious to see what happens here, but it's nice and calm. Not
right now.
Yeah.
We're not the only ones here.
Yeah. So we're other people here. So this is nice. And we do have just a short little ride. Let me show you real quick.
Yeah, that took like 2 minutes.
It took like yeah, you're right, 2 minutes. It was too short. We should have drove around and something. Yeah, a little bit to enjoy it, but we're just trying to be a little bit safe out here. But our little pin, our what's the name brand of this? Power pole. Our power pole pin, got this for Kim, picked it up at our local boat shop over by our boat place over there by our work, TJ Mahoney's or TJ Mahoney's.
Like a West Marine.
I keep saying Mahomes, but it's probably like Mahoney or something. But it's kind of like a little West Marine. But what I like about it, it's not a West Marine. It's not a big franchise. Supposedly they've been in business for a long time in the Tampa Bay area. But those guys, I mean, they're extremely knowledgeable. So you go in there. I brought something in there. Oh yeah, just do this, do that. You know, it's like all right. You know, so those guys, they know what they're doing. But she stopped in there after work and got that power pole pin. She might get another one. Let's see. So he's a little crooked, but let me show you. If it gets worse, I'll adjust it, but so far so good.
It's so gorgeous. The weatherman lied.
We'll see. I mean, it's not 2 o'clock yet.
No, I know it's probably going to get a little crazy, but it was supposed to be cloudy, and it's really not.
It's not. This is Florida, though. This is Florida. The weather is constantly changing. So, if you're in Florida, especially where you have wind and tide, you have other factors that you need to pay attention to, even to the weather. You know, make sure you're checking your apps frequently. You know, if you're on a lake, are you guys on a lake? Who's on a lake? Let me know if you guys are on a lake. We were watching this one YouTube video. It was in Lake Havasu in Arizona. So their boating is a lot different than our boating here. It's kind of cool to see, but definitely a lot different. I like our boating, but if you're on a lake, let me know. And then which lake are you on?
It fell.
So I got to readjust this power pole. I knew this day was going to come because I didn't have it in right, but so far it was good. It wasn't straight at first, but then I was towing on the bow anchor. So I'm just going to readjust this board really quick.
It's starting to get windy here.
Shoot! All right. Am I doing this right for the people who've got this?
What about like a mallet, like a little?
I'm gonna put my weight on here in a second. Shoot. All right, there we go. Whew. All right, I think we're good.
Cool. Ooh. What's up? Is it getting black over there? A little dark ski? I think the weather is moving in that we were worried about.
I'm feeling some wind, little wind gusts here and there, but other than that, we'll see what's going on. What time we got? 12:06. Oh, sorry about that. So 12:06. Just that. Looks like you got a wedgie or something. Oh yeah, it's starting to. I'm feeling a little breeze now.
That happened fast.
That did. They might not be wrong with this weather, so. All right, Kim's gonna go ahead and start taking down our towels because what's gonna happen is this. I think this is gonna come in like nobody's business. I mean, these people aren't taking off or anything yet, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's definitely raining over there. I did bring our dry bag here. I got this. It's like our big dry bag to put like the drone and the other cameras in. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. It could be quick. We'll just another app that we use is a radar app just to check the radar. But it's yeah.
What's up? This storm is not gonna make the seas or the beach break any better. I'm gonna have to shutter.
Yeah.
Shutter, bread and butter.
All right. What's shutter, bread and butter?
Sending your ass out for failure, brother.
Yeah. So there we're.
Sending your ass out for failure, brother. Oh no. I don't like that guy offshore right now, though. That's the way I keep having to fly, so.
It's a port operation channel, but they were talking about the weather earlier, so it's gonna be coming in here. So I don't know. We might even just like take off here.
Right now.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start getting stuff ready because I'm cool with a little rain, but I'm thinking we're gonna be getting a little something, and then that ramp's gonna be closed.
Yep.
So I'm not sure if they're picking it up yet. The other people look like they might be doing something. Yeah, they're picking up anchor. Oh, shoot! Oh! Got it!
That means like we definitely shouldn't be out here because it don't even matter. That's what I was thinking.
It could turn out to be a nice day, but we got some wind picking up, so we're gonna play it on the safe side and get out of here. Guys, like this video. See y'all in the next one. Oh, that was some. Yeah, that was some thunder and lightning back there too. So, all right, we made the right call.